The Camp Nou transformation has just taken another major step forward. New floodlights are now arriving for the third tier, while the second cantilever continues to take shape with steady structural progress. Every new installation is bringing the stadium closer to its final vision, and today's update reveals some of the most important developments we've seen in recent days. Let's take a closer look at everything that has changed across the construction site. The Tribuna seating area continues moving through its finishing phase with visible progress across multiple sections. Workers are carrying out cleaning, surface preparation, and final detailing, while several stairways have now received their yellow safety markings. Additional finishing work is also taking place around the seating platforms, ensuring the area is fully prepared before the installation of the new seats begins. Every day, the Tribuna is looking more complete and closer to its final appearance. The VIP ring has now reached an advanced stage of construction. Most of the glass curtain wall has already been installed, leaving only a handful of sections still awaiting completion. Behind the glass facade, crews continue working on the interior fit-out, including hospitality areas and premium lounges. With both exterior glazing and interior finishing progressing together, the VIP ring is rapidly transforming into one of the most complete areas of the new Camp Nou. Construction of the third tier continues at an impressive pace. Most of the permanent structural framework is already complete, while temporary lighting systems are being relocated to support ongoing work. Scaffolding remains in place beneath the upper structure as crews focus on the remaining roof support elements and finishing tasks. With each passing week, the upper level is looking increasingly complete and is moving closer to being ready for its next construction phase. Installation of the stadium's mechanical and ventilation systems continues inside the Tribuna. Large ventilation ducts and service pipes are being installed to provide climate control, air circulation, and utility services throughout the interior spaces. These systems will serve the VIP lounges, hospitality suites, restaurants, and other premium facilities. As more of this infrastructure is completed, the stadium is steadily transitioning from structural construction to interior finishing and operational systems. Work continues steadily on the second cantilever, with crews focusing on completing the mobility core structure. Steel columns and beam connections around the elevator shaft are being finalized, while workers are preparing the area for the next phase of sandwich panel installation. At the same time, additional structural treatments are being applied to the steel framework, ensuring every section is ready before the exterior facade installation begins. The third tier is also seeing important progress as preparations continue for the stadium's permanent lighting system. Multiple floodlight units have now been delivered and positioned near the scaffolding, ready for installation in the Tribuna section. Meanwhile, workers are continuing to prepare the supporting steel structures where the lighting equipment will be mounted. A major milestone has been reached at the South Goal mobility core as workers have officially begun installing the exterior sandwich panels. Using a crane and vacuum lifting system, each panel is being carefully positioned with millimeter-level precision to fit perfectly between the structural supports for the future ceramic facade. With the interior panels already installed, work has now moved to the exterior, marking another important step toward enclosing the mobility core. Work on the stadium pitch is progressing steadily as crews continue removing the old turf with specialized machinery. The grass is being separated from the underlying soil, while the remaining surface is carefully processed and redistributed across the field. This preparation is essential to create the perfect foundation for the installation of a brand new natural pitch. Once this phase is complete, the stadium will be ready for the final grass installation ahead of its reopening. Construction crews continue strengthening the South Goal mobility core by installing additional steel beams between the lamella support brackets. These new structural elements reinforce the facade framework and prepare the area for the installation of ceramic lamellas. Although anchor alignment and several finishing components are still pending, the structure is now well prepared for the next phase of facade work. The first ceramic lamellas have now been installed on the South Goal mobility core, representing a significant milestone in the stadium's exterior transformation. After weeks of structural preparation and material deliveries, workers have begun mounting the facade panels, bringing the mobility core one step closer to its final architectural appearance. More lamellas are expected to be installed over the coming days as this section gradually connects with the already completed facade nearby, accelerating the visual transformation of the south goal. On the lateral side of the stadium, crews continue aligning the anchor points that will support the ceramic lamellas. Guidelines remain in place to ensure every anchor is positioned with maximum accuracy before facade installation begins. Once the alignment process is completed, this section will be ready for ceramic lamella installation. Although some supports still require final adjustments, work is progressing steadily and the area is clearly moving closer to the facade installation stage. The second diamond structure has now completed its concrete phase and remains under curing. Formwork and temporary supports are still in place, but they are expected to be removed soon, revealing the finished concrete structure and allowing work to move into the next construction stage. Once the formwork is removed, crews will be able to continue with reinforcement and upper structural works as construction advances to the following phase. Construction continues across the lateral mobility core as workers install additional structural supports, diagonal bracing, sandwich panels, and concrete wall sections. Multiple activities are progressing simultaneously, steadily moving this section closer to completion. Finishing work is also advancing around the structural framework, ensuring the mobility core is prepared for the upcoming facade and exterior installation stages. Ceramic lamella installation continues to advance in the north goal corner. Workers are extending the facade across the false ceiling while cranes lift new lamellas into position. This section is progressing steadily and will continue expanding once the remaining support points are fully prepared. With each new panel installed, the north goal is beginning to take on its final architectural appearance, bringing another visible transformation to the stadium. Work on the compression ring continues in the north goal corner. One pillar and its radial beam have already been completed, while the adjacent pillar is now prepared for radial beam installation. Temporary support structures remain in place, allowing crews to continue assembling the next compression ring sections. As additional radial beams and compression ring components are installed, this corner is steadily catching up with the more advanced sections of the stadium. Construction inside the Tribuna stand continues to move forward with important structural progress. The upper mobility core has now been fully enclosed with sandwich panels, completing another section of the stadium's exterior. At the same time, crews are installing structural frames for future glazing systems, preparing door openings, carrying out finishing work, and expanding protective safety installations beneath the upper cantilever. These activities are preparing the Tribuna for the next major construction phases, while steadily moving the stand closer to its final configuration. The Tribuna section of the compression ring continues to advance rapidly. A new compression ring box has been installed, while additional radial beams and pillars are already in position. Temporary support structures are fully assembled, allowing construction teams to accelerate the installation of the remaining compression ring segments in the coming days. With more sections now prepared for assembly, progress in the Tribuna area is expected to increase significantly as work continues across the roof support structure. That wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. With steady progress on the second cantilever and preparations for the third-tier floodlights now underway, the stadium continues to move closer to its next major milestone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update as we continue following every step of this incredible transformation.